What's really important is getting the picture and the writing. So it's going to be me and Benny. Well, you have pictures there.
No, on the machine you have in Kroger picture.
In Kroger?
Yeah.
Like the grocery store?
No.
You would tell me to go somewhere across the street. And I wanted to say Ben and Steven forever on the top. And then on the bottom it'll say, same-sex, legal now, congratulations. But everyone keeps sending me somewhere else. They said this is what you do here.
No, I don't want it.
It just seems weird that you send me Oh, I don't, okay, well let's even say no picture, but you can write on it, Ben loves Steven forever, and have our hands maybe holding.
No.
No. But we want at least the writing, you know, so, you know, groom and groom.
Yeah.
There's two grooms.
Wedding?
Yeah, a wedding.
What is the wedding?
Wedding is for, two people getting married. But just the writing, you don't need the machine. You can do the writing, Ben loves Steven forever.
Yeah, you can.
Groom and groom.
Yeah.
You can do that.
No.